Is there, so why in particular did you choose Bobcat?
I don't know. I think the choice on the Bobcat brand, I don't really know. I think it kind of goes back to, if somebody wants a copy of something, they'll say a Xerox. If you want a tissue, it's a Kleenex. And I think the name Bobcat, it's just, they're so popular. It's just, even though it's a skid steer, people just use the name Bobcat. And I don't know. It's just, I think it all comes down to serviceability. There's other manufacturers that are out there, but they're down in Wilkes-Barre, Hazleton, out in, Clark Summit, Scranton. But when it comes down to the actual service on stuff, and we have had the Toolcat back for, some warranty stuff, but the team at Bartron's in Tunkhannock, they're friendly, and I think that makes all the difference, with equipment purchase. And I hope that's why people buy the firewood stuff from us, because it's me that answers the phone, and I can go over stuff and get them warranty things or order repair parts if that's what's needed. But I think it just comes down to the team that stands behind the product. And Bartron's has been in Tunkhannock for a long time, ever since I was a little guy, and I just know the store's been up there. Chris did us well with the S300, back when we needed something. Ron's been great with the Toolcat and the new CT. The other stuff we've managed to buy, used online and whatnot, but we've had, parts and different things to order. So dealing with Mike and the whole sales team there, behind the counter, and it's a good experience the whole way around. And I think it's the teamwork that follows the product is pretty much why I stay with the Bobcat brand.
Awesome. Love it.